So remember the sign conventions very nicely. While doing the sums now, all these sign conventions will be used. So you have to remember all these sign conventions when you are doing the sums. Now first we do the sort examples on page number 86 of your textbook. First sum. Given an object is placed vertically at a distance of 20 centimeters from a convex lens. So, for convex lens, an object is placed at 20 centimeters. So, u is equal to minus 20 centimeters. If the height of the object is 5 centimeters, so height of the object h1 is equal to 5 centimeters, and the focal length of the lens is 10 centimeters. So focal length f, focal length of convex lens is positive, so f is equal to 10 centimeters. What will be the position, size and nature of the image? How much bigger will the image be as compared to that of the object? Okay. So now you have to find out the position of the image and the height of the image, and you have to write the nature of the image. Okay. So now we use lens formula. So we will write over here by lens formula. Now I am showing you the method I like, which is simple. You can follow any method by doing the sums, but this method, if you find it simple, you can follow this method also. By lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Okay, we have to find v, so I will keep v over here, is equal to 1 upon f, I will take u this side, plus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f, 1 upon f is 10 plus 1 upon u is minus 20. 1 upon 10 minus into plus minus 1 upon 20. Okay. Now cross multiply. 20 ones are 1 upon v is equal to 20 ones are 20. 10 ones are 10 upon 10 into 20, 10 into 20. So 1 upon v is equal to 20 minus 10, 10 upon 10 into 20. Take the reciprocal of this. So v is equal to 10 into 20 upon 10. So 10 ones are 10. So v is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay. So v is equal to 20 centimeters. Right? 20 centimeters means a positive image. Positive image means a real image. So the image is formed on the other side of the lens. Okay. The image is formed on the other side of the lens. Right? And it is of the same size, same distance as that of the object. We use also 20 and V is also 20. Now we use magnification formula. Magnification formula, h2 upon h1 is equal to v upon u, right? h2 we have to find out. h2 upon h1 5 is equal to v 20 upon u minus 20. 20 ones are 20. h2 upon 5 is equal to -1. Cross multiply, h2 is equal to -5 centimeters. So negative sign of the height indicates that the image is inverted. So real image, inverted image. Okay. Now you have to write what? You have to write the nature. You have to write the nature of the image. The positive sign for V indicates the image is formed on other side of lens. The negative sign of height indicates the image is inverted. Okay, so the nature of the image is the image formed is real inverted. Okay, and this is -5 and this is also 5. So both are of the same size and of the same size. Why same size? Because h2 is equal to h1. h2 is equal to h1. I had forgotten to give you that if h1 is greater than h2, if the height of the object is greater than the height of the image formed is, the height of the object is greater than the height of the image formed is diminished. If the height of the object is greater than the height of the image, height of image is greater than the height of the object, the image formed is magnified. And if the height of the object is equal to the height of the image, if both are of the same size, then the height of the image is also of the same size. The image formed is of the same size. So this is the nature of the image. So you can describe it this way. Okay.